Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to try out some Clinique products. Now these Clinique products are available in Splurge. Now Splurge is a luxury store on purple.com which will have all these luxury skincare, beauty and fragrances. Now this initiative will have some revamped features like some attractive packaging or a place where you can find all the luxury products in one place, which is the Purple. And so let's see all the products that I got from Clinique and we'll see how they do. Products came in this beautiful luxurious velvet purple kind of packaging. It feels very luxurious and the products were put inside, and you can always reuse these packaging for other items, but they look very nice. I really like the color. Now let's get to the products. Now the first product is something that I'm already wearing on my lips. This is the Clinique Even Better Pop Lip Color Foundation. It is in the shade Embrace Me 24. This is a very light consistency. It feels extremely moisturizing on your lips and it has a very nice color. I'm already wearing this. It's this beautiful shade. Now let me just swatch it for you guys. The pigmentation is really good, but it feels like a lip balm on your lips, so it feels extremely light and I absolutely love it. So this is in the shade 24 Embrace Me. It's a very nice it's a very nice dark mauve kind of color, and I really like the packaging as well. So this is the first product, and this lipstick has vitamin E in it, so it will really nourish your lips, keep your lips hydrated and moisturized, but also give you a very nice color. And this lipstick is also available in 4 other shades. Now the next one is the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrator. Now even if you haven't tried Clinique products, I'm sure you are well aware of these products because they are quite famous, and these are some of the best products Clinique has. So this is how it looks. Now I have not put it on my face yet, but I'm going to try it for you guys. First of all, the consistency is very almost gel like, and it is very smooth. It almost feels like you're rubbing a very soft gel on your skin. Now the packaging is very user friendly, but the first impression that I have is that it has almost got absorbed into my skin. It has left a very nice glow on my skin, and it does not feel heavy, which means it's not going to sit on your skin. And even if you have oily skin, you can definitely use this because this gets instantly absorbed and your skin will love it. And though I have extremely dry skin, this has managed to hydrate my skin and not feel heavy on my skin. So this is the next product. Now the next product is again something that is very popular and I'm sure you have heard it, and this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Now this is a very different kind of makeup remover. It is in the texture of a balm, and all you have to do is apply it all over your face and it melts down any kind of makeup. Even the most waterproof mascara will be melted by this balm. So this is a very nice alternative for someone who doesn't like to use a regular makeup remover and want something that will clean your skin but also keep it moisturized and does not dry out your skin. So this is the next product. Now again, I like the packaging. These are very user friendly, and it makes sense to have a packaging that is simple. So this is the next product. Next I have is the Clinique Even Better, I almost dropped something, Makeup SPF 15 Even and Correct Foundation. Now I have the shade WN48 Oat and WN56 Cashew. Now I think this one will be a little dark for me, but the packaging again is very cute, very simple and user friendly. It comes in a very nice tube like this, and I'm just going to try this because I want to show you guys how nice they are. So the texture is actually very creamy and very light. So I'm just going to apply this onto my skin and blend it with my fingers. As you can see, they blend really well and almost look like skin and does not cake up your skin at all, because I don't like heavy foundations. I am over that phase right now. I like anything that feels like skincare and is very, very light on my skin. This is a tint, guys. It's not a foundation, but as you can see, it feels like my skin, just like my skin. It does not feel heavy. It, even while applying it, it felt like a cream and not anything heavy. So it looks really nice, and the shade really matches my skin. You really can't tell that I'm having something that, you know, is trying to give me some kind of tint or some kind of color correction, because it looks really natural. So this is the next product and I absolutely love it. I really like how it's made my skin look, and it also hasn't taken away the glow at all. And because this product has vitamin C and E in it, so it will give you that makeup look, but also will help reduce any kind of dark spots and fade away any kind of discoloration, while evening out your skin tone and making your skin look extremely natural. And this will last you for a very long time. So try this tint. I'm sure you guys will really like it. One is the Clinique High Impact Custom Black Kajal. Now I really like the packaging. It is very, very nice pastel colors, and this comes in a retractable form, which I really like. I don't like sharpening kajals at all. This is extremely dark, it is matte, and it glides on very easily. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes just to show you guys. This is extremely dark, like the color is really pigmented, so I like stuff like that. Now you can see my entire face. I have the moisturizer, lipstick, and the tint and the kajal, and my face looks extremely natural. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup at all. And this is the kind of makeup that I like. This is the kind of products I like to use that don't feel heavy on your skin, and it almost feels like you have nothing on your skin. So I absolutely love it. I will leave the link to all these products in the description box. You can check it out. Now they do have some offers going on, so you can get a complimentary Clinique Moisture Surge 1 ml, which is like a sample, on every purchase. You can also get a complimentary Clinique Liquid Facial Soap 30 ml on purchases above Indian rupees 2000. I also have a code which is MRJCLNQ, and when you use this you will get some percentage off. So I will leave the details to everything in the description box. I hope you guys like today's video, and I'm actually kind of obsessed with how my skin is looking right now. It looks really fresh and glowy, like, you know, I've got some kind of facial done. So I will leave everything in the description box. You can check it out, and I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.